Hey, today we're going to play the Sharper Image AR Blaster gun. This is the virtual reality, and the game is called I Am a Sniper 2. Okay, there's your gun. Your phone fits in right there. Turn on the phone. Okay, sorry, I have a password, so I have to hide it from you. Alright, let's go turn on the Bluetooth. Right there, Bluetooth. Okay, sometimes you'll pull the trigger a few times, it'll find the phone a little quicker. The gun, excuse me. Alright, we got it. Bluetooth found it. Let's load the game. The AR blaster right there. Unity. Alright, see the gun down there in the bottom in the middle? It's loading. It's looking for the gun right now. Sometimes it finds it pretty quick, sometimes it takes a little while. There it is, got it. Up top left, see it says AR gun? All those names across the top are different guns. We're using the AR gun. Let's go find the game. Bunch of different games here. I've got some of them already up here, so go watch them. There it is. I Am a Sniper 2. Click on it. Sometimes it takes some clicking to get it to grab it, open it. Come on, load it up. Let's go. There we go, loading game. Click on the blank area if you want to use the joystick. Well, I'm not using the joystick, so. Okay, where's my guy? See him way back there? There's one right there. Shoot him. Got him. Alright. That's a long shot, isn't it? Got him too. Man, I'm a pretty good shot, aren't I? Turn the sound up a little bit so we can hear it. Boom, got him. Got him too, didn't I? Oh, there's a guy on top of the building up there. I don't guess anybody's shooting back at me. Guess they can't see me. I'm a sniper. Ooh, got him again. You just turn the phone and it moves it around. It's virtual reality. Right, let's see, what do we got here? There's one coming up. Yeah. There's on top of the building right there. Got him, yeah. There's another one up there. Got him too. There's some guys out there in the desert. Let's see what we can do here. Took me a couple of shots to hit him, didn't it? Got him. There's nothing on top of the building, yeah. Another one up there. Oh, I'm just picking them off, huh? I guess I'm far enough away that they can't see me. Took me 3 shots to hit him, didn't it? Anybody out there? No, I don't see it. Well, there's somebody right there. Oh, got him. Got him. There's my score, 4,920. Let's look around, see if there's anybody else over here. We're back to the buildings now. Only 3 shots to hit him. I have a lot of other games from this AR blaster already uploaded. Go look in the Sharper Image playlist. You'll see them. Go look at them, tell me which one you like. Building up score, I got 6,200. Got him. Well, being a sniper, you don't get shot back at very often. In case I didn't tell you, this gun was like $10 at Walmart. The app is free. You just download it. Get off that building. Yeah, there you go. Maybe I didn't hit him. All right. That got him. Whoa, got him. Let's see. Got him too, didn't I? Got him too. Each of them get on that building on a... You get up on that building, I'll get you. I'm just turning the phone. Got him. Back to the buildings. That guy's still another guy up there, isn't he? Another one up there. Alright, when you get ready to quit, see that blue arrow up in the top left underneath where it says best? You click on that and it'll take you back to the lobby where you can load other games or go back to your phone. This is not a bad little game. You're not getting shot back at, though. Got him. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna quit this game and go back to the lobby. There we are. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the phone. I think that's enough of this game right now. And check our other ones, and we'll see you next time.